Hi guys, tayo ay mag-unboxing ng isang printer galing sa Shopee na nagkakahalagang 3,040 pero nabili ko po ito ng tumataginting na 2,371 pesos dahil sa sale during Shopee sale. So guys, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano magse-set up ng printer katulad ng isang first time na bumili ng printer. Ituturo ko po yung step-by-step process kung paano ito i-connect sa yung devices, gaya ng laptop, at kung paano rin mag-print ng border na may border na hindi magkakat yung last part ng borderline. So, share ko lang, no, bumili tayo ng printer para naman may printer tayo dito sa komunidad namin kasi I'm situated sa probinsya na kung saan malayo yung printer or printing services, kaya napag-desisyonan ko na bumili ng printer for elementary students na malapit sa komunidad namin. So here guys, as a first time na gumamit ng printer, medyo napakahirap, no, sa mga first timer na kagaya ko kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung unang gagawin o ano yung step na gagawin para gumana yung printer. Pero meron namang manual na kasama sa package na ito at madali lang naman, pero mapapahanap ka talaga ng video tutorial kung paano i-connect to. At yun nga, ito yung mga included na sa package, yung wire niya at saka connector from the printer to the laptop. At saka may free na colored cartridge at black cartridge na kasama na sa package na 2,371 pesos. So, ito yung printer sa likod. At dyan, yung plug niya. At ito naman yung power button, at saka yung black, at saka color button. So ito guys, no, makikita mo may color at saka black kung saan mo ilalagay yung color at saka black. At ano yung model ng cartridge na gagamitin mo. At ito yung dalawang cartridge na makikita mo kung saan mo ipapasok doon yung colored at saka black na cartridge. At maya-maya ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ilagay yung dalawang cartridge sa lagayanan ng printer. So far, madali lang naman guys yung pagpasok ng cartridge sa lagayanan nito. You just have to follow the manual. At ito nga, you just have to push at magkiklik yan. Alright. At saka yung isa naman black on the right side. So push and then okay, nagkiklik na yan. Alright, so tapos na nating na-unbox yung printer. Ngayon naman ay i-connect natin yung printer sa laptop natin. So, sa nakikita ko sa ibang video guys, meron namang if you don't have any laptop na i-connect sa printer, pwede namang gumamit ng cellphone. Pero iba na yon, yung gagamitin mo, may ibang tools para makonect ito sa printer. Ngayon, ituturo ko kung paano ito i-set up sa laptop. So, click muna natin yung power button. Then, magbi-blink siya. By the way guys, hindi ko na videohan. Na-download ko na pala yung MG2570 series MP drivers sa website ng Canon. Kasi walang feature yung laptop ko ng CD drive or tape na kasama sa package. Ilagay ko na lang yung link ng drive nito sa description ng channel na to, no? So, you just have to click the link and then download the driver ng MG series Canon. So, let's test the printing feature sa printer ng MG series ng Canon. And so far, goods naman, but ito nga yung problema ko. Yung at problema ng karamihan. Yung kapag may border, yung piniprint mo, talagang magkakat yung bottom part ng borderline ng piniprint mo. So, as you can see, itong piniprint ko, may borderline siya. And at the bottom nito, may cut siya. Later guys, I will teach you kung paano yan masolusunan. Right now, i-testing muna natin yung photocopy ng colored at saka black. So, ito yung kalabasan ng colored photocopy. So, photocopy na yan guys, hindi na Xerox. Kasi dati kasi, yung term na ginagamit is Xerox. But right now, the correct term is photocopy. So, ito na yan guys. Yung photocopy na colored ay kasing tulad lang ng original copy. So, right now, subukan natin yung black. You just have to press the black button. And then, black and white. Yung kalabasan ng photocopy. At yarn. Yung resulta.
So, test natin guys yung scanner naman. Scanner. So, punta tayo sa settings. Type natin settings. Open. Since Asus yung laptop ko, punta tayo sa Bluetooth and devices. And then, may printer and scanner. Ito guys, printer and scanner. And then, so nakita nyo guys, hindi automatically nag-detect si Canon. So, anong gawin natin is, we will add the printer manually. So, let's try to add the printer manually. Add device. And then, the printer that I want isn't listed. So, i-click natin yung add manually. Ito pa, guys. And then, my printer is a little older, help me find it. But bago tong printer natin, so dito tayo sa option na add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Ito guys. So, use an existing port. Pero dito tayo sa USB. Since USB natin connect si printer to laptop. The next. Then, nakita natin, guys, manufacturer Canon at saka printer MG25 series printer. So, ito natin i-select. Ito siya. Then, next natin. Then, use the driver that is currently installed recommended. Then, next natin. Canon MG series printer copy 1. Then, installing printer. Then, printer sharing. Sige, next natin. Then, you've successfully added Canon MG25 series printer copy 1. To check if your printer is working properly or to see troubleshooting information for the printer, print a test page. So, print a test page. So, a test page has been sent to your printer and then close. Ito guys, ito yung Windows printer test page. So, try natin yung scan na. Since na-detect na ba natin yung ano ba?
So, na-set up na natin guys. So, try natin ulit. Click Bluetooth and devices. Click printer and scanner. Then, you can see the Canon MG25 series. There you go. Click the scanner settings. And then, click the open scanner to enable the scanning option. And then, processing. And then, click app to open the photo. Then I tried my driver license and there you go. Now let us try our family graduation picture ng kuya ko. And then still the same thing. You click the scan option and then processing or view. Okay, and see. Then you just have to rotate that. There you go. So, ito na nga guys, yung answer ng customer service ng Canon. The Pixma MG2570 does not have the ability to print borderlessly. So, there is an unprintable area on pages that are printed. So, ito yung explanation niya guys. The bottom margin is 16.7 mm and the top margin is 3 mm. That is why hindi makapag-print yung bottom border ng area ng MG series ng Canon. But guys, meron tayong solution dyan at na-find out ko kung paano ito maiiwasan na hindi ma-print yung borderline at the bottom of the bond paper. Gagawin natin is click the print and properties. Make sure na click yung preview before printing. Importante yan guys. Kasi pag mag-print tayo, makikita mo kung ano yung page na mapiprint mo. And as you can see, in-adjust ko lang yung border at pinint ko na. Yun lang, di ba? Easy peasy guys. And then you can see the result of this one. You just have to adjust lang the borderline of the bottom sa piniprint mo. And then there you go. Diba? Problem solved. So far, yun lang naman guys. At ito na nga, nagpiprint na ako ng munting negosyo ko, no? Ng printing services at saka GCash. At may pa GCash pa si Manang. So guys, if you have questions, clarifications, just comment on this video. At lahat ng yan is masasagot ko based on my experience. So, eto na guys, magpiprint tayo ng mga colored sample. At ito yung mga na-print ko sa next video na to. Meron tayong mga elementary students na nagpiprint nga ng kanilang mga projects. And as you can see, the result of this printer, no? Mukhang, mukhang maganda naman yung print result niya. So, yun lang naman guys, yung mai-share ko. And, ika nga, sharing is caring. So, that's it for today. And this is your one and only Probinsianong content creator.